What's up, guys? I'm in the Integra right now. About to head out to Beats Nose's house so we can wash the cars for the car meet. So I'm gonna see you guys later once I get there. Let's go. We're at Beats Nose's house. The Miata has something new.
No.
Got the hard top. Sunburst yellow. Finally got the hard top. Beats Nose, what do you think of the hard top?
It's pretty sweet.
So yeah, we need to wash these cars because my car is filthy. It's all muddy. Yours is not that bad.
Yeah.
Maybe I like the down there, but
You can get away with it.
no, yours is fine. Mine's not. People don't laugh at me.
We're gonna wash.
We washed the Integra. Got Carlos rinsing the Miata. Here's Scrappy chilling. Look at this guy. This guy's going crazy right now washing the Miata.
Yeah. I washed his hood. That's all he gets for free.
Look who just pulled up in the Tesla. Oh! He's punching the Tesla. He's punching the Tesla. Don't worry, guys. It's already beat up. But don't worry. This guy's actually cleaning the Tesla right now.
It's not coming off.
Yeah, this is not. Yeah, this thing's dirty, but
Looks like a lot of dead bugs on the front of this car.
this is the daily driver of Helper Paul. So, Paul, do you like the Tesla? Guys, here's a close-up of the
We're gonna get this stuff
Tesla's front bumper right now. Yeah, it's not looking too good.
You do like tapping and then do
Look at this guy. Oh,
What's up?
this guy! Wow, you're cleaning the wheels, dude.
Between the wheels, bro.
Nice and shiny over between the wheels.
I was so crazy.
Alright, we're just about to head out to the meet, and I finally hung up something in my car. I got my favorite Pokemon. We got Wooper on one side, and we got Vulpix on the other side.
Let's go!
So, yeah, we're just waiting for Beats Nose to pull out. He's leading us, and then we'll be at the car meet. You ready, Scrappy?
More than ready, born ready.
FD right here. Crazy.
Oh, you're looking through my glasses? Bro! No! That's the fucking bowling alley.
Oh, there she is.
Hey, don't do that, please.
I think it's right.
That's actually.
Not really.
Look at the camera.
I was eating dinner at the time.
Got catfish here.
I like that.
Catfish
French
for.
colors on the hood.
We actually have a manual 4th Gen Camaro here. It's pretty sweet. You don't see those very often.
Dude, you better. If you showed up yesterday, or if I saw you, whatever day of the meet, I would have saw other meet.
996 here.
996.
What is this? Why are they exotic?
Yeah, exactly.
When you run into the car, yeah, you're putting the key in
As you're shifting in, yeah.
shift. A monster.
Look, we parked next to the Tesla here, VRZ. Tesla, don't pay that ticket, Tesla. Look at this.
Don't do it.
Don't do it.
You put it into 4th gear in Florida, apparently, but
Don't take the ticket. Yo, Tesla on the Tesla. He's got another one.
Don't pay that ticket. We need more. We need to like line it up.
Here's the Fox body.
Supercharged. Lamborghini showed up. It's supercharged.
I like the burgundy of the Fox body. Yeah, it's manual.
I don't. Those are sick wheels. It's been there for months.
Here's the Mustang that was beside it.
The fluids. Capsules. Capsules. That's not the right word. Why are they so short? How they fit in those seats, guys?
So Shelby.
Why is the engine the wrong way?
This reminds me a lot of my engine bay.
I'm just like
Dyslexia?
what is that?
Not even a speaker.
Look at the Civic Lift.
What is that called again? The drift stitch?
Yeah.
Check.
Got the rear window down. Feature of the Del Sol. Here's the awesome Civic that always pulls up. SIR. Crazy Civic. Awesome Civic. Look at this Tercel here. It actually doesn't look half bad. This is my car's younger brother. RSX, even silver as well.
I have to make it function because I don't want.
Is that VTEC?
I can't sit the filter.
Yes, Paul.
No.
Look at this. I don't even know what Lamborghini this is, but it's a Lamborghini. I only know the old ones like the Diablo, the Countach, the Yalpa, the Silhouette. I don't know these ones.
This is an old one, bro. Dude,
I would love
I
this.
would not want to drive this. I'm not wrong.
His license plate V10 powered.
I'd rather drive the Tesla, guys.
3rd gen Prelude here. I haven't seen any of these at a meet so far. I love this car.
So cool.
Well, technically there is another Integra here. Hey, but yeah, there is another Integra, Type S, the new one.
Yeah, you're not wrong.
I'm not the biggest fan of the new Integra. I think the Integra ended with the RSX, but it's okay. People can like it.
That's an RS. It's even got the painting underneath.
Mitsubishi Lancer.
She's like, I'm not doing this yet. You guys should.
So wait, what's the new license plate slogan? Open the bridges?
Here's a crazy CSX that is always here. I think it's Type S, I'm not sure. Here's the ND Miata. This one's got the NA, here's the ND.
I don't mind it. It's kind of cool. Was Saline not Mustang?
No, it is, but yeah.
That's crazy.
Better do a crazy call here. You better not.
That's a
Ready for this? It's going to be in the right after.
I just watched it.
Yeah, it's basically like it's
Bye bye FD. So what else we got? C7, C6, they're all heading out.
Happy.
Bye bye.
Little kid.
V10.
like dipping these nuts. You know what they'll do? What if the Lamborghini just gets T-boned? Look at this car.
6th gen Celica here. Really like this car. The GTS Celica, pretty cool.
Negative space photograph.
Dude, there's so much negative space. Look at all that top space. Look at how much negative.
Alright guys, we're hanging out from the meet for tonight. We're gonna hit the McDonald's for the nightly ritual, so maybe we'll see us there. We don't know. You wanna record that, Scrappy?
Oh yeah, I will.
Alright, we got this.
Oh, he's so
Oh, there's all the cards. There they are.
Money spread. Oh, don't
Look
pay
at
that
that.
ticket, guys. Don't pay that ticket. Sponsor me.